This is el Jardín de Botánico.
VagaBondVito.
Okay, boys and girls, esto es the Jardín de Botánica. I'm gonna try to make a little video for you boys and girls, see what this place is all about. Okay, let's do it. If you want to know how I'm able to travel the world and run my business remotely, earning thousands of dollars every single week, only working 1 to 3 hours a day, hit the link in my bio or go to bigticketbiz.com and check out the video explaining exactly how I got started.